Okay, my wonderful students, we are going to be on page 113, and we're going to listen to the story at the top. Now, this story is written for every day and usually. So this is going to be simple present tense. So simple present tense for this one.
Page 113. Early Monday morning in Centerville. Listen.
Early Monday morning is usually a very busy time in Centerville. Men and women usually rush to their jobs. Some people walk to work, some people drive, and others take the bus. Children usually go to school. Some children walk to school. Some children take the school bus, and others ride their bicycles. The city is usually very busy. Trucks deliver food to supermarkets. Mail carriers deliver mail to homes and businesses. And police officers direct traffic at every corner. Yes, early Monday morning is usually a very busy time in Centerville.
Now, we're going to use this as an example, and then we're going to be doing down here. This is not recorded, so I need to read it. So we're going to read it, and I'd like for you to follow along. And then we have some blanks here that we need to put the words in, and I will help you do that. Okay, so here we go. Today isn't a typical Monday morning in Centerville. In fact, it's very unusual morning. It's snowing very hard there. All the people are at home. Wow, it sounds like here today, huh? The streets are empty and the city is quiet. The men and women who usually rush to their jobs aren't rushing to their jobs today. The people who usually walk to work aren't walking. So what we have here is we have simple present tense and present continuous. So the people who usually drive aren't driving, and the people who usually take the bus aren't taking the bus. The children who usually go to school aren't going to school today. The children who usually walk to school, correct, aren't walking today. The children who usually take the bus, the school bus, aren't taking it today. And the children who usually ride their bicycles aren't riding them this morning. So now the second paragraph, the city is very quiet. The trucks that usually deliver food aren't delivering it today. The mail carriers who usually deliver the mail, correct, aren't delivering it this morning. And the police officers who usually direct traffic aren't directing it today. Yes, it's a very unusual Monday morning in Centerville. That was a lot of work. Oh my goodness, thank you.